Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to clear a paper jam in a HP 525 LaserJet 500. So you can see, we open here, you can see that paper, it's unissued. So we can, I think we can turn it and put that tray down. Yes. So you can open here and have access here. You take out the toner first, then you see if you can see the paper. So there's this tray, there's a tray here after this. So we take out the tray, there's a tray here up. You can see the paper. No, it's not the paper, but this tray, you press it. You have to press it. Okay, good, he did press for me. So you can see press here, I wasn't sure. So you can see that small paper, there's that small paper, this one. You can see this is the small paper jam. Is that a big page you saw? There was no? Yeah, there's a bigger page, okay. So this is one of it. So after that we can close, okay. After closing, then we're gonna do other stuff. Open here. Now you can see it's dying. So take out those covers and unplug that. Let's see what happened. Paper went inside with fusing. See, that is done, guys. So it was a problem. So that's good. Okay, now we're putting back the fuse. Make sure to connect all the connectors. So it was stuck into the fuser unit, so it wasn't easy for someone just to take it out like a normal person who works here. So that's why it needed a technician to come and sort it out. Okay. Well, that's it. So we're gonna just put in the toner back. Then we close that. Put the tray. Then we're going to test. Going for the test. Let's move it a bit. Huh? Can you?
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, no. Yeah, guys, that's it. So we're done. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.